Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Trinidad Reyes. This is a box of 12, and this box, as you can see, was purchased from EGM Cigars in Switzerland. And this box is from March 2023, so by the time of recording this video, it's already got 2 years of age. And I usually like to wait at least minimum a year to start smoking cigars, so this box is definitely smokable. Let's open this up and see what they look like. Came with a nice Boveda humidity control bag. Now, I never knew this, but these are actually rechargeable. So if you put them in a place with humidity, they will suck up humidity and be able to use it again. Only found that out recently. And it's nice that Trinidad, that their, I don't know what even this thing is called, comes always with like their logo and everything. It's quite nice. And there's also a ribbon that you can pull the cigars out, but these are just absolutely beautiful. These cigars are 40 ring gauge by 4 3/8 in length. I would say these are medium strength cigars, and being Trinidad, they're usually pretty expensive, and I would definitely say they're not value for money. Let's take one out and inspect the cigars. As you can see, it's got a triple cap, 1, 2, 3, with a pigtail up top. They're actually quite nice cigars to smoke. They're quite quick, long filler cigars. Not worth the money, but I paid quite a decent price for these, so I'm not complaining. But these cigars will age nicely, and Trinidad as a whole is considered the second best. I would say second most expensive, not best, because flavor depends on each person, but the second most expensive brand after Cohiba in the Habanos portfolio. And these cigars are very nice, quite a nice dark wrapper. And these will be sitting in my humidor for a little bit because they just arrived, until they will be ready to smoke. These are a box of 12. These also come in a box of 24, and I believe also in a cardboard box of 5. But I've never had these from the cardboard box. I've only had them from the cabinets. I have had the Coloniales from the cardboard boxes, and I haven't personally experienced a difference in flavor. But from what I've had in the really old boxes, you can actually tell the difference between a cabinet or from a cardboard box. But again, I've never experienced that myself. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.